Umagang kay ganda. So, habang nagkakape, try kong isolve itong Rubik's ko kasi matagal ko na siyang hindi nalaro. First thing to do, have to jumble it. Yan, jumble na siya. Pero ang dami pa rin parehas na kulay. Pero ganun talaga. So, let's start. Coffee morning. The first thing is, hanapin natin yung yellow. We'll make the daisy flower. I'm not sure kung lahat ba is ganon pare-parehas or maraming ways how to solve. So, where is the other one? Ayun, nasa baba. There. Ito yung daisy. Bulaklak. Oh, meron na siya. Yung ganun, parehas yung color. Flip. And, oopsie, flip. Blue. Flip. Orange. Flip. Tapos, balik na rin. So, andyan yung ating white plus. So, now we have to make this all white. Hanapin natin yung mga puti. There, may isa doon. Dali mo natin sa side and then find the blue. Ayan, nakaside siya sa blue. Ayan, nasa taas siya. And, yung isa. Red. Let's find the red. Ayan. Medyo nakakaduling kasi nakatingin ako sa screen. Mas maganda kung nakatingin mismo sa Rubik's. Anyway, so ayan. May isa pa. Where are you? Oops, where is it? Ayun. Doon na pala. Tapos, ayan. All white. Tapos na din yung first level. So, let's go to the second level. T. Find the T. And then, we'll check the orange. Ayan. Then, hanap tayo ng iba. Blue. There's the T. Red. There's the red. So, A. What the heck? Na-stuck siya. And then, another move. Ito red. Oops. The red. The green is there. The green is here. So, ganun ang movement. And then, fix the white. Cancel. Something came on my screen. Tapos, hanap tayo ulit ng yung ipifix natin is yung walang yellow. Ito, white, may yellow. So, hindi pwede. Ito, green and orange. So, pwede siya. Orange is there. Orange is here. So, ilayo natin siya. Then, fix the white. So, ayun. Second level is finished. Now, we'll go to the third layer. Baliktad natin. So, since isa lang yung yellow doon. So, yan. Tapos, pag line, kailangan nakaganon. Hindi siya pwedeng nakaganon. Yan lang siya. F. So, boomerang. So, again, paulit-ulit na moves yun hanggang sa makuha natin yung yellow plus. F-U-R-F. So, yun. Yellow plus. And, yellow na din lahat. So, naka-shortcut tayo ng konti. Blue. Tapos, what else? Ulit. Parang walang nangyayari. So, gawin natin yung isang moves. Okay. There you are. We're done. Kaya ko pa naman. Kala ko nakalimot. Kayang-kaya pa.